Hi guys, in this video I would like to show you how you can check if your Facebook profile is getting recommended, if your Facebook post or Facebook profile is getting recommended. One of the benefits of this is that you can be rest assured that once your profile is in good standing order and Facebook is recommending your post, you can easily get viral. You can go viral because Facebook is recommending your post for viewers. So how do you check if your page is having issue that you need to fix so that Facebook can continue to recommend your post? Log into your Facebook profile, then click on open your page, then click on professional dashboard. When you go to the professional dashboard, you click on the three buttons. Instead of going to the professional dashboard, just click on the three icons here. You click on it, then you see page status. When you click on page status, it will give you the options that says recommendations. So when you click on it, you can check if your page is getting recommended. In my own case, as you can see, it is actually my page is getting recommended. So you can also check your own. Then you can click on page status here as well to see that your page is actually indeed getting recommended. If in your own case your page is showing red or yellow or whatever color, then that means your page is having issue which you need to fix. And the good thing about it is that Facebook will actually tell you the issue that your page is having so that you can easily rectify it and your page will start getting recommended again. If you enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell so you can be notified when I post my next video. Thank you.